So I decided to I just seen one of the homies too. He's a photographer. He hangs out with Teb and them. I don't want to say the wrong name, so I'm not gonna say his name. But he does I think film, like film shooting with like film cameras. You know what I'm talking about? Good. Still looking for a place. I'm about to just put the camera back on the street. Yeah. That's a dope spot though. I like these New Balances a little bit more than some of the Jordan 1s I've been getting lately. And that's a fact, for real. Like, it's good to have something different. Okay, there it is right back here. Right there. Let me see if I can get a little bit of that in the video. Alright guys, it is time to get out of here. That mural over there, that mural is really dope, and I don't want to ruin it. These shoes are too dull, they're too, they're too daddish to like get off on that mural. But that mural is dope. I'm gonna have to bring something that's more pastel, bubble gummy-ish or something like that. You know how I do. I could pull that off easily. But I'm out, guys. I mean, I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired. Edit these. I still gotta go shoot the Crocs video tomorrow. And I might go back to the woods to do that. The green ones, so those were going to kind of pop a little bit more. But that's it, man. I'm about to just walk back. I hope my meter's good. I seen the meter dude. It's not a woman. It's a dude walking around. And he was trying to act like he wasn't doing what he was doing. But I seen what he was doing. But I'm out, y'all. Peace, love, light. Watch the last video. IG. Thanks to the gifter. And peace. This is like the best time to come out and film, when it's like dark, but it ain't dark, but it's dark. It's the best time.
All right. Wasn't that a little over cinematic? But you know how I do. Peace and love, guys. What's going on, girls and guys? I don't know why on YouTube when you say "What's up, guys," it applies to girls and guys. But if you were to say "What's up, girls," then you'd be only talking to women, I guess. But anyway, we have the New Balance 2002R, I think these are, and I am not familiar with New Balance at all. I had them back in the day. They kind of went away, and then I think with like the hype culture kicked in, and Ronnie Feig and that dude and everybody, all the collabs started happening, and New Balance is just back in the game, full swing, right? And I do want to take a moment to go ahead and thank the gifter for getting these to me, because I couldn't get a gifter to send me New Balance. They just want Jordan 1s, they just want Jordan 4s, they just want Dunks. They don't really want to send you a New Balance, and they didn't ask me too many questions about, promoting and all that. So shout out to the gifter for getting me these. This is like a part of a pack. It's called like the Rain or Cloud pack, and there's a few other colorways. There's a black colorway I really like, but I think this happens to be my favorite colorway out of like all of them for some reason. On StockX, this is the most important. This is the most expensive pair. These are like $400 to $500. Why? I have no clue, but that's why I do what I do. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these. So this is probably my favorite non-Yeezy, non-Jordan Dunk shoe of the year for me. And you guys are probably like, what? And I'm like, yeah, I just like dad shoes. And even if I wasn't a dad, I would still rock dad shoes on the regular. But for me, the comfort, New Balance usually does like this wide kind of thing. They do like regular, they do wide, and these feel like a wide shoe. And I like that. I have narrow feet, but I still like the wide fit. And I don't know what that energy thing is on the side. I'm not sure if these shoes have any like real technology inside of them, so I can't really explain what the green bubble is, what this stuff. It could be all aesthetics. Like I don't know if that's like a gel system or cushion system. Well, it's obviously a cushion system, but I can't really break that down. But when I was squeezing it, it felt soft. It felt responsive enough. Nothing like Boost, but it's not supposed to be like Boost. This is New Balance thing. And for the longest, I actually thought New Balances were made in the US, and then I figured out like a year or two ago that they're not, and they come from where everything else comes from. But I do like them. They got this exposed tongue, reminiscent of some Off-Whites. Insole isn't anything special. No polyurethane here. They got some holes in it for some breathability, but that's about it. The entire shoe doesn't feel very squishy, bouncy, but it feels like it's protected. It feels like it got you. It feels like you can crease it. It feels like you can just put the shoe on your foot and forget about it. See, it has some kind of stability torsion system, but again, I can't explain this. This is all speculation. I just love the shoe, and I think that's exactly what New Balance wants you to do, is just love the shoe and not care too much about the tech. Aesthetically, they look amazing. And after seeing those other two colorways, I think that cream pair might be next on the list. And I have no idea if they have those. They probably do. So I don't know. We'll have to see. And there's a little something on the black light, but I don't know. I don't have a reference point. Anybody that has these retail, go ahead and let me know what you see. If you're just comparing these from a picture, please spare me the details. But yeah, dang, this almost got to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Watch the next video, old video, IG, all that good stuff. Peace, love, and light.